Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to auto-tune on Soundtrap. The first thing you like to do is to open your web browser and go to www.soundtrap.com. And once you're there, log in with your account credentials. Now once you log in, go ahead and open the homepage. Of course, it's going to direct you to the homepage. So on the homepage, locate the project section, which is in the center of the screen. And in the project section, click on this plus icon with Enter Studio button under the Start a New Project category, and that's going to walk you right into the studio itself. So from the studio, I'm just pretty much going to show you what to do to add the auto-tune option. So this is loading right up. Okay. So here it goes, just go ahead and click on music, and that takes you right into the studio. So from the studio, what you're going to do is to select, just go ahead and click on add new track. So click on add new track, and from this add new track, you have a couple of options here. Now from this option, go ahead and click on voice and mic. That's voice and microphone, and that's going to walk you into this window. So go ahead. Now, once you have set this up, just go back. You can head over to effects and choose any of this effects, any of them that's just, suit you, or just freestyle with the effect. I'm going back to audio, and I'm just going to X on this. So now that we have that audio, the next thing you need to do is to record your vocals. So you can either choose to record your vocals or to import the vocal file. So click on this record icon at the bottom and start singing or speaking into your microphone, or go ahead and click on import a file and upload an existing audio from your device. So after recording or uploading the vocal track, go ahead and click on the vocal track. And once you click on the vocal track on the timeline to select it, go ahead and look for the effect panel, which is on the left side corner of the screen. So let's say I'm importing the track. Okay. I've not looked at anything, so there's literally nothing here. But let me import a track so I can show you exactly what to do. So this is outbid, and outbid is coming right up. Now, if you hover over your track, that's the ESO track that you want to edit, you're going to see this edit option. Now click on edit. Once you click on edit, you're going to see a couple of options here: fade in, fade out, reverse, effect, vocal tuner, and you have vocal cleanup, you have voice transform, you have change pitch. Now, okay, so let's do something else. So let's say I want to record. Let's say I want to delete this, and I want to record. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you're fine. I trust you're doing well and all right. So that's my track, right? So this is my track, and I head over to edit. So from this edit, if you check any of these options now, prior to now on Soundtrap, you'll definitely find the option that says auto tuner from these options. But you can see there is no auto tuner here. So what you find is vocal tuner. Now go ahead and click on vocal tuner. To use the vocal tuner option, you have to upgrade to apply. But I'm just going to walk you through the options that you can use to refine your vocals that using the vocal tuner. So vocal tuner has replaced auto tuner. Now head over to roots where you have your key and select the musical key that matches your track. Head over to scale and choose between major, minor, and other scales to suit your song. And here where you have amount, which is more like the intensity, just adjust the level of auto-tune from subtle to light to medium to heavy to extreme. And once you're done using that, just go ahead and listen to it. Just play and preview whatever you have done. So you can also adjust other effects like reverb, EQ, or compression to enhance the overall sound of the track. How do you do that? Just head over here and click here, or you just don't really have to click. Just go ahead and click on the mic icon here, and that's going to take you right into the audio settings, where you can now adjust the pre-gain, the preview, the pan, and the volume. Head over to effects to add more effect to the track. Now, once you're done and everything is a-okay, click File, which is in the top left corner of the studio, and click on Save to save. But if you want to export or share your auto-tune track, head over here, click on Export, follow the prompt to export, and click on Share to collaborate or to just create a shareable link. And that's it. You have successfully applied auto-tune, in the sense vocal tuner, to your vocals in Soundtrap. So experiment with different keys and intensities to achieve the desired sound. Now go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hoping this tutorial marvelously helped you search.